Hello, everybody. Today's Hot Wheels 2021 International. We know it's international based on that code. D case unboxing brought to you by A&J Toys. It feels like a throwback in a sense, going A&J Toys today with the international case. That's usually how it's been. International unboxing first, US case after that. Since COVID struck and timing has been a little bit off all of 2021 or most of 2021, we'd go with the US case that Mattel provided first and then the international case from A&J Toys, but we're just going to reverse it like it used to be and go with the international D case first. This one took a hit, as you can see, on its way here maybe, or I always tell Ken over at A&J if a case arrives damaged, considering I'm going to open these and we're going to donate them to the hospital, whatever's left for people to open and enjoy, for kids to open and enjoy. The condition of the cardboard really doesn't matter. So I'm looking forward to going through this case. Let's go ahead and do it, see what we've got. Trying to keep an account of what is leftovers from the C case, leftovers from the D case, and then seeing what else we've got in the other cases, right? So, or seeing what we have new for the D case. So let's start here. We've got, I think all of these as holdovers from the C case, right? Subaru WRX STI, Surf and Turf, and the Lancia Delta Integrale, one of the really cool new models from this first one, or from 2021. Hot Wheeler, I guess that is new. I think the casting is not new. The BMW M3 GT2 is from the C case, and there is the fantastic Mazda RX-7 in black. You can see it's got full detailing on the back, full detailing on the front. If it had the, these wheels on it, it would be the Super, but it doesn't, and that is okay. But that is the Super. That would be the Super this case. Really happy to have the black. I really want to find that Super, but really happy to have that black version of the RX-7. That'll be a cool one. Casting that I do collect. All right, more holdovers from the last case. I'm going to try. I feel like the lighting isn't great here. So very shadowy today. Let's move this back. And let's move the camera up. That's what we do when we do videos like this one. All right. Lighting a little bit better. Ford GT40, Porsche 935, and the Ford GT Race. All holdovers from the C case. Come on, let's give us something new. How about that? Manga Tuner, that is new. That one looks great in pink. Loving that. Kind of a design too with the scene of the Mad Manga in the past. All right, this one is weird. See Me Rolling. We'll do a highlight video, obviously, right? And we'll open this one up. Oh, it's like a dice thing. Oh, I think I've seen that. Yeah, I've seen pictures of that one. And then Surfing School Bus. We've seen that one before too. Lamborghini Euros, holdover from the last case. I think that Batmobile is, and the 2Jet Z might be new version of that one, right? In black, looks cool. Looking for highlights. RX-7 is the first one. Twin Mill, pretty good. Tricera truck, there's a highlight. How about the 1995 Honda CRX? Nice to see the older CRX casting that Ryo Asada did. Now in that turbo deco that's we've seen on, originally was on the Honda, oh my gosh, why am I blanking? The little one, right? And it's the racing, oh, see, this is when you come unprepared. But I know what we were going to open up, but we saw this on the Odyssey as well, right? So kind of cool to see that one. That's a highlight. That's one we'll definitely open up. I should pull out that dice car too. If we're going to try and figure out what the highlights are for the opening video whenever we do it, then we'll do that. Okay. Astana Hodo or whatever. It looks cool in black, but that's from the Fast and Furious. I'm not going to do that one. Speed Driver, that one's cool. This is a highlight. How about that? 2021 Ford Bronco. Looking cool. Look at that. They did the front deco, side deco. In case there was any confusion if this is a Bronco, they're telling you as such. There it is. It's a Bronco. It's a Bronco. Doesn't tell you there. That's cool. Okay, that's a significant new model for sure. Locomotorin. Oh, that was the Thomas the Train one, right? Now it's clear. That's kind of cool. Linzer prototype and the Linster prototype and the Pixel Shaker. Ah, Jag XE Project 8 looking good in red. Wow. Love that casting. Highlight. Donut Drifter and the Motosaurus. I don't know what is the regular treasure hunt in this, so I know the Super is the RX-7. Obviously, the Roger Dodger was the CK Super, but oh, here we go. Pontiac, 06 Pontiac GTO. Brandon Vituski Special, right? This one is done as kind of a dragster. He's got one of these. Guy who designed the 55 Bel Air Gasser, who also has a 55 Bel Air Gasser. He's done that one, so we'll talk about that one. Highlight for sure. These two, fine. The Ion Motors Thresher. Not my cup of tea. Pixel Shaker again. All right, another RX-7. Would have loved to see that a Super, but that's okay. It's the international case. Typically, we don't see him. Diora 3 looking cool. By the way, as I see it, yes. All those are not, they're not all different, of course, right? But oof, thing's mangled. Nissan, oh, that's from the C case. Surf's Up. And the Batmobile once again. All right, pull that out. Let's see what else we got today. All holdovers, right? Oh, cool. Mars Perseverance Rover. That's back. That's been a while since we've seen that one. I'll add that to the highlight pile for sure. There's another See Me Rollin' in a 69 Chevelle. GMC Cyclone. We'll add you to the highlight pile. People like you. Ford GT40 and the Surf and School Bus. Ah, Fastbed Hauler. Nice to see you again. So this one, actually, Abe Lugo, who designs for Matchbox now, does a lot of those designs. This is one of his original designs, just so you know, when he was designing for Hot Wheels. Steer clear, and there's a Valentine's car. I guess it's time to have love in the air again, right? For February 14th, so it's coming out right about that time, 2014, or I don't know why it says 024. Oh, February 14th. Because I was seeing the 2021 there. So call that the love bug, right? Another Roger Dodger, another Twin Mill, another Ford GT Race. Audacious. There's that awesome Civic and the Ion Motors. As I See It, yes. 2 for 2 on the As I See It, yes. Linster prototype, Diora 3 and the Porsche 935. Loopster. There's that GTO once again. And the Chevy Silverado Trail Boss looking cool in camo. We'll put that one over there. They've done some nice versions. I liked that black one last year. Not a casting I collect, but cool. Tricera Truck, 69 Chevelle. And there's that R35 again. Lamborghini, BMW. There's another Bronco. Cool, cool, cool. Happy to have hold of those. Almost done. Head gasket, speed dozer, and the clip rod. And to finish off, Lethal Diesel. Oh, Koenigsegg Jesko. I like that one better in the darker colors. It does look better. Still wish they'd do different wheels on it, though. I know that's the closest to the actual wheels, but I'd even go with these 10 spokes, like a darker version of this 10 spokes or something. It's just something that they're too deep or something. I don't know. The casting is dope, but that's a better looking version. There's the Honda again. That's it. So, what's your opinion of the D case? Me? Lots of cool stuff. Not a ton. I mean, the C case seemed to have, better stuff. But there's some highlights here, I would say, of the new models, right? We've got, looking and trying to see if there's any other new castings here. I would say these are the highlights of the new castings, Bronco and the GTO. I'm most interested in that Bronco, I think. And then existing castings that look pretty good. I'd say these 4 for sure. And then these 4. So I wouldn't say it's the strongest case. You guys will tell me what you think about that. terms of super, is one of the better supers. I mean, up there with the RX, or I'm sorry, with the 300ZX, right? So there you go. We will open those up in a highlight video. You guys tell me what you think of the D case. Thank you, A&J Toys. If I get that US case from either A&J Toys or Mattel, I will open that one up too. More to come. Bye.